Aloha, boys and girls. Welcome to the children's message. It's summertime, and it's the time of year when many people go on vacation. Maybe even you're planning to take a trip. I was getting ready for a journey of my own, so I brought my suitcase with me. Can you help me figure out if I've packed everything? Have I forgotten anything? Let's see what I have in here. I have my toiletry bag. I have sunscreen and mouthwash for it. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, you think I need a toothbrush and toothpaste? Yeah, I better grab that. Shampoo and conditioner and soap. Oh man, I hope it all fits. Okay, I do have an outfit to wear, and I have my pajamas. I've got a hat too in case it's sunny. This is what I've got. Can you think of anything else I need? Maybe more clothes? Oh, a hairbrush? A game to play on the plane? I hope it all fits in my bag. Thanks for giving me packing advice. Today, Jesus sends his friends, his disciples, out on a trip. And do you know what he tells them? Don't pack anything. He says that they should just go with what they're wearing, nothing extra. Jesus is telling them, and Jesus is showing them that he will take care of everything they need. And that reminds me of part of the Lord's Prayer that we say in our service. Give us this day our daily bread. Daily bread is more than a loaf of bread. It's everything that God gives to us. He provides. He gives us all we need. He provided for his friends, the disciples, when they went on a trip and didn't pack anything. And he provides for our daily needs. But most of all, he provides for our need for a Savior. Jesus is our Savior. He died and rose again, and he provides for our needs each and every day. The best of all, we need love, and he gives us perfect love, a love that never ends, a love that died and rose for us. Jesus provides for all we need. So wherever you're going this summer, if you're going on a trip, remember that Jesus is with you along the way. He's providing for all your needs. Have a great trip. Have a great summer. We'll see you again here next week.